When testing electronic equipment or instrumentation, it can be helpful to create a certain type of waveform and add amplitude noise. This allows you to observe the frequency response and the level of noise immunity of the equipment or instrument. The RIGOL DG4000 series of arbitrary waveform generators enables users to superimpose Gaussian noise to any output signal, and the noise scale is adjustable. This function is called noise superposition. Let's look at an example. First, restore the generator to its default state. Note the default output of channel 1 is a sine wave with 1 kHz frequency and 5 volts peak-to-peak amplitude. We can observe the waveform by using an oscilloscope, such as the RIGOL DS2000 series. Now press Utility and choose channel 1 set. You can see that the noise function is off, which means that the signal does not include any superimposed noise. Press the Noise Soft key to enable the noise superposition function. The noise amplitude is expressed as a percentage of the main signal amplitude. The range available is from 0% to 50%. The default value is 10%. After enabling the noise superposition function, we can observe that the waveform gets quite thick. Using the cursor function of the oscilloscope, we can measure that the noise amplitude is 500 millivolts. Note that if we increase the noise scale to 30%, the noise amplitude is about 1500 millivolts. This concludes the introduction to the noise superposition function of the RIGOL DG4000 series. The key points are: configure the output waveform, and then enable the noise superposition function, adjusting the noise scales accordingly.